Hello friends, today we'll be discussing about the benefits of niacinamide. Niacinamide, also known as nicotinamide, is a form of vitamin B3. Niacinamide is the best ingredient to enrich our skin. Niacinamide is wonderfully good for the skin. It works amazingly to shrink pore size. It unclogs the enlarged pores to help moisture and nutrients better absorbed by skin. It smooths the skin texture. Niacinamide controls oil secretions of sebaceous glands, which helps prevent acne and makes skin look radiant. It is best choice for oily skin. Niacinamide is an important ingredient in skin lightening and brightening as it stops the transfer of melanin, a pigment responsible for darkening, to keratocytes, skin cells. Niacinamide is a good way to boost skin immunity. It helps in the production of keratin, a protein to keep skin firm, young, and healthy. Niacinamide has anti-inflammatory properties which makes it effective against acne and eczema. Niacinamide helps reduce hyperpigmentation, blemishes, and discoloration on skin. It evens out the skin tone with regular use for few weeks. Niacinamide helps promote elasticity and boost collagen production and makes skin firmer. It delays the signs of aging and wrinkles. The best of niacinamide is its mild nature. It is beneficial for all skin types. It is the safe choice even for sensitive skin. Niacinamide can be used every day. In fact, it is must in morning and night skincare routine. So these were the top amazing benefits of niacinamide for skin. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.